Yes, I'm getting rid of this station. Am I getting rid of DIY Mondays? Of course, down here, I'm getting rid of DIY Mondays. I'm moving DIY Mondays to my garage. I'll be taking all this stuff out of here and making room for all my stuff here. I'm going to make this an exercise room, and I'm going to make this a nice place for my fish tanks. So I'm getting rid of all this stuff. And we'll be making the birdhouses and everything in my new work station, DIY Dad's place. And I'll be taking everything out of here, getting rid of it, and just making room for the fish tanks. I'm sick of it. I want to get rid of it down here so that I can go in the garage and work in my garage, do all sorts of stuff for Christmas and everything else. Yes, this is going. And you will see it in the next DIY Monday video, which will be the third Tuesday of the month, what I'm doing with this area. This is going, it's all going, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think. DIY Mondays is no longer down here. DIY Monday, we'll take this off the wall, we'll take this off, we're taking this off, we're getting rid of this, we're getting rid of this. I'm done with it down here. We're going to put the entire thing in the garage. So watch out for DIY Mondays. Next time, the third Monday of March, when we'll be in our new home in my garage over there. And this will be gone. I'm done with it. So I hope you continue to watch DIY Mondays, because it's going to be a whole new thing. I cleaned out my garage. I found all the tools. I found a jigsaw. I found a drill press. I found a high-speed drill. I can make all sorts of things excuse me, in my garage, and that's what I'll be doing. No more no more DIY Mondays down here. This station will be cleaned up, and we'll clean up this mess where I'll have an exercise room and a place for guests to sleep, and my fish tanks will look great. So don't forget to keep watching. Fish Tank Thursdays, every other Thursday down here, and that's it. And I'm moving this, all will go out, is going out, and it will be going into the garage. Hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. By dinging the bell, it helps with the algorithms, and I want to build this channel up too. So by me making DIY Monday in a workshop in my garage, we'll be able to do all sorts of work projects. So that's what I'm looking forward to doing. So keep watching. This will all go out, in another video on garden aquatics, where we'll set everything up in the garage once the garage is cleaned out. And the next video should be the third Monday in March, will be in the garage. So until then, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ding that bell so you get notified when I post a video, and we can make this channel grow. So I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. And remember, all things are possible if you believe. You believe you can do something, do it. That says all things are possible if you believe. So do you believe it? Right there, it says all things are possible if you believe. You see it? Right there. Do you think you can do something? All you have to do is try. So keep trying. This room will be cleaned. This will be another small steps with Sharon. Once I get the garage cleaned out, we'll be down here, and I'll show you my workout room. I'm determined to lose at least 25 more pounds, maybe 30. And I plan to do it this year. By Christmas or in November, I plan to be down to at least 190 to 180 pounds or so. So we'll see. I'm at 110. I'll take 195. I'm at 210 pounds right now. I can't go below that weight. I'm trying. We'll be taking walks. We'll be doing all sorts of stuff and working out here. This is out. I will see you in the next video. It's going over there. Channel's not stopping, but we're going to have a new place for DIY Mondays. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next DIY Mondays. Don't forget to watch Garden Aquatics Remix for a live from the man cave tonight. See you then. Bye.